One thing I love about using quality oils is that you can actually cook with them, and I use them to flavor so many different things. Today we are going to make Parmesan rosemary popcorn. It's a healthy snack that packs a lot of flavor. Hello, I'm Marcia Voca with Ray of Hope Essentials, bringing you yet another way to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. So for this recipe, we're going to start with a half a cup of unpopped popcorn. We're going to pop it in our air popper. We have a half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese. We have 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and we have our rosemary essential oil. It has a supplement fact label on it, so you know it can be taken internally. We will pop this popcorn and come right back. So a half a cup of unpopped popcorn will give you about 12 to 16 cups of popped popcorn. So that's plenty for a night for a family. We're going to take our olive oil and our rosemary oil, essential oil. We're going to add 1 drop. Essential oils are very concentrated, so you don't need much to add a whole lot of flavor. Stir that up, and then we're going to drizzle it over our popcorn. And we are going to stir it up. And mix those lovely flavors of the olive oil and the rosemary all throughout there. And we're going to take our coconut or Parmesan cheese and we're going to sprinkle that over the top. I'm going to add part of it first, and now it should stick to the popcorn. And add a cheesy flavor. Add some more. Mix it some more. And as you can salt to your own taste preference. The cheese will have some sort of a saltiness to it. And we're ready to enjoy. And there you have a very yummy treat that your whole family can enjoy. This is really good. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos all the time on different ways to use essential oils in your health and wellness journey, because they don't do you any good just sitting on the shelf. Thanks for joining me.